Taco Bell goes down like water, bro. Dang. Alright, I guess we're getting after this little Cheez-It. I thought you would go for this. I'm gonna get a big Cheez-It fan. Not bad.